Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to show how to install Kubuntu Desktop. Well, not really show how to install, I'm just going to show a little bit of it. But on the Raspberry Pi, I know this is going to be slow probably because it's KDE, but I still wanted to test it out. So I just flashed ubuntu-server to my SD card with the Raspberry Pi imager, and I booted it up and changed my password and stuff. And now I'm going to just show the commands to install the Kubuntu Desktop. So first of all, you got to type this exact command into your server. As you see, git clone http github.com onepieceworld-desktopify.git, and hit enter. And I already did that, that's why it gives an error, but it usually doesn't. And then what you need to type is cd Desktopify, and then you need to type sudo -- Desktopify de Kubuntu, and enter. And now it's going to start installing the Kubuntu server for us. This will take a while, so now you just have to wait for it. As you see, it's done now. So all you gotta type is sudo reboot, and it will reboot us into the desktop, KDE desktop. Okay, so I booted up and I got to this screen. So now I'm just going to type the password that I made earlier. Okay, so it's booted up and it looks really nice. So I really like the KDE look a lot. This console is the terminal, and the cool thing is when you do it, like it's like a blur through the background, which looks cool. So it said there was updates to me, so I'm just gonna go ahead and update it. While that's updating, we can just go to Firefox. So it is a little bit slow. I do say that. I wouldn't recommend it for an everyday use. Ubuntu Budgie or Ubuntu Mate or Ubuntu works a lot better than this. So, yeah. So it comes pre-installed with Firefox. I can install Chromium if I want to with the Snap Store. Let's see how the YouTube plays on this. I've never tried that. I like the cursor a lot. It looks really nice. Let me just skip to the middle up right there. So YouTube playback isn't that bad, actually, surprisingly. There's a little bit of tearing, not that much. And like I can easily skip through it and stuff. The web search works well. So it does work better than I thought, actually. I can say that. Let me just upgrade it now. See? So I can just click on stuff, search it up. yeah, so Firefox works. The terminal obviously works. Let's look at the other features. So we have a software store, it looks like, called Discover. So we have all these different apps in here. So if I go up here, I can install Qubit Torrent for transmission. As you see, installing. So transmission is an app where you can download torrents from. So it's pretty useful. So now we just type in the password. Now it's just installing that. The terminal is taking a while. Let's look at the other apps. So we have some games on here. We have some graphic apps. Of internet, we have Firefox, KDE Connect, QTorrent. So we have a lot of useful apps on here. We have Office, but you can install LibreOffice on here. We have settings, utilities, help. So we have all of those, and as you see, the terminal's done, and you can install any app really that you need. So like I'm gonna install gparted because I use that a lot. Install. I forgot to type install. Now it's installing gparted for me. So if I go sudo gparted, I can open it up from the application menu too, but then I have to type in a password. This way I don't have to type any password. As you see, this is my SD card. It's a 615, actually 16, but it shows 15 is only usable SD card. Yeah, so this is Kubuntu on your Pi4. It performs better than I thought. It is usable actually. So I could recommend this if you don't want to run very heavy apps. It could be usable. Yeah. So if you guys would like to see anything else running on Kubuntu or any other Ubuntu distro or anything on the Pi4, please let me know, and I'll try to make a video about it. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it, and I hope you subscribe.